We already discussed about IP address and traditional network and current network is also. Today we go ahead the last theory session, then further upcoming session, all session will be practical session. In this regard, just I'm telling to you, if just I showing first screen, then we go ahead.
Sir?
Yes, I'm saying first screen, then we go ahead. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So just this is in today's scenario, the new data network communication is as per on your screen using of the routers, main router that is located in the Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and these all router known as the core router. You can say the main router. You also can say MPLS core network. This name. Okay, and this network is single for all ISP like BSNL, like Reliance, like Airtel, each and every other company. Also, all are laying in the single line. And then second router is the ISP router. This is known as the P router. Yeah, you can say simply P router. Also, you can say ISP router. Okay. What is the meaning of ISP? Internet service provider. That is the BSNL, Reliance, Tata like this. Okay. And if in your college campus, if you want internet, whole campus distribution internet, so definitely one router needed in the college campus. This router is the customer is router. And from this router, we connect the switch, one switch to another switch to another switch. You also connect via the directly LAN cable, also via the Wi-Fi devices and connect your devices to Wi-Fi. So this is the current time every location in the world is a very simple network. Meaning of the LAN is simply router one port is known as the LAN. Suppose this router have one port, this is one LAN, doesn't matter how many distance travel. Okay. In the same router, we use another port. This is a different types of different LAN. In the world today, only two types of critical area network. One is the LAN, another is the two different LAN is known as WAN. Another name of the WAN is internet. Okay. Now in the today, if I want communication between this PCA to another server, this is the PCB, this is a server. Suppose this is the uh, banking server, otherwise Facebook server, any server. Okay. So one question for Nana first, please tell me in the world, which website is more secure? Gmail, Facebook, WhatsApp, other as per your, what is your opinion? What you think, which website more secure? Give one example. Are you sure कि Gmail is secure? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Facebook?
Twitter, I think, sir. It's the
Okay.
most used platform.
Okay. Okay.
And Google. Both are the most used platforms.
Okay. So you must sure कि they have a security feature most maximum implementation. Okay. What about say banking site,
Sir,
banking website?
I don't have idea, sir.
Like banking, but it is very clear na कि in the world such website try to provide maximum security like banking website. Definitely, banking website is more secure by the vendor, by the provider, because it related to the financial money. So definitely, every person, every software developer must be ensure, yeah, must be try to maximum security on this website. Okay. So I think you are able net banking, aware about net banking.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. So just before I am asking something, just suppose this is the one website server. This is a banking server. Suppose this bank is ICICI Bank. one bank, SBI bank, any bank. Okay. And this PCA is your PC. Okay. If I want to communicate from this your computer to this server, yeah, this banking, net banking purpose is net banking. So what is the procedure? What is the step we can discuss here? And in the today session, we focus on these rules and regulations. If I want to communicate from one location to another location or any types of website, we have some rules and regulation. What is the rules and regulation? Just write down here. If you want internet, there is a rules and regulation. Okay. Other man, you can say protocol, no problem. Okay. So in the case of internet, one rule and regulation in the world, this is the TCP/IP. TCP/IP is the internet rules and regulation. One question again for you, Nana, very simple question. Suppose you go to the market and
Sir, your voice is not loud, sir.
again loud.
Sir, no.
Okay. So suppose you go to the market and purchasing new Nokia mobile phone, and you purchase screen guard and flip cover for your mobile phone, but screen guard and flip cover label, there is the symbol of the Apple phone. If your Nokia phone, if you use the screen guard of the Apple, either flip guard of the Apple phone. So my question is that after using screen guard and back cover, your phone will be converted from Nokia to Apple, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why? Your phone is the Nokia, just back cover and flip card using of the Apple phone. So is your phone convert in the Apple phone, either by default technically it's Nokia?
Only the back cover is changed, sir.
Back, only the back cover and screen guard, that is Apple, but your main phone is the Nokia phone, na?
Then it will not change, sir, because
yes, tell me, yes, now good, right?
it's not changed because the data and we are using the Nokia phone, no, sir. So the
Hardware,
network and
yes, very nice. Hardware, each software and each and everything is the Nokia company. So definitely we outer change that not defined each phone is the Apple phone. Okay, so very clear message. So similarly, in starting of the internet, starting by internet by the USA, when we say need in telecommunication, it is very, you are sure ki ha, I am calling to you, you are Nana, no problem. But in the internet, how I sure ki I am sending email, yeah, any WhatsApp message, this must be delivered to the Nana and also read out the Nana. It is very challenging in the today scenario. So for the security purpose, first I am sending email either internet anyway, definitely right must be selection of the right choice. So required rule and regulation, and this rules and regulation is known as the TCP/IP. Earlier, before this is a 4 layer, but till time defined 5 layer. Okay. After adding like Nokia phone some additional cover, so like इसमें some security feature added, it's become OSI layer. OSI layer is not protocol. OSI layer is the reference model. Protocol rules and regulation is TCP/IP, that is the 5 layer. But OSI layer, just like in Nokia phone, you adding additional flip cover, back cover, but main hardware is the Nokia. Okay, same manner, internet protocol is the TCP/IP, but day by day we adding security feature in your layer internet protocol that become OSI layer. This is the known as the reference model. Keep in the mind always, uh, in the competition, any interview is what is the new protocol. So keep in the new protocol is nothing. All is the TCP/IP. OSI layer is the reference model. Okay, this is the design by the ISO for what? For security purpose. Okay, so I just discussed how many OSI layer, then automatically you can understand TCP/IP. There are 7 layer as per your books, as per your Google search, but I'm working in the field. I know it layer become 10.5 layer, but it's not available till time your books in the Google search. So I might not discuss all 10.5 layer as per your books. I just discuss 7 layer. So what is the 7 layer? I just remember it like please do not throw sauce pizza away. This is 7 layer. P means physical, layer number 1. Second is the data, layer number 2. Third is the network, layer number 3. Fourth is the transport. Every layer after discussing net banking, you are all layer easy to aware and learn. Transport layer, this is the layer number 4. Session layer, this is the layer number this layer number 5, and next is the presentation layer, and this is the layer number 6, and the final layer is the application layer, and this layer is known as the 7 layer. These all are the 7 layer. Okay, I just discussed which layer, what is the meaning of this layer in the very practical manner, because you are aware about net banking. Okay, so I'm just asking the question, and each and every layer just know which layer is known, what application, what presentation, what session. Okay, so now just going again that PPT. Yeah, in this PPT, Nana, this is your computer, and this is the bank server, bank computer. My question is very simple. You are going for the net banking from this your computer. What is your first step? Again, I repeat, this is your computer. I just write, this is Nana computer, and you are sitting here, okay, and for the net banking. And your bank server is another location. This is the bank server, any bank, suppose SBI, ICI, as per your account. And if you want to net banking in your computer, what is your first step? Please tell.
What is your first step?
Step. One by one step.
Step.
Okay, step.
Server.
Step. If you are going for net banking on your laptop, on computer, so what is your first step, first stage? Please tell. How to, yeah, simply other word, how to go for net banking, what you do one by one. What open the first what just tell me. Are you net banking? Are you doing net? Are you doing net banking on your laptop? Yes or no? First tell me.
Net banking.
Net banking
from the lap phone. I will do from
it's okay, no problem. Phone, laptop, there you can say suppose in your mobile phone. Okay, for the mobile phone net banking, what do you go? What do you do?
normal. First, we enter the password.
Before password.
We create a bank account on our name.
Already you have username password given by the bank, no problem. Suppose I just immediately this time, if you are go to net banking, or you want to check your status of the banking, so what is your first step on your mobile?
First step. I don't know, sir.
Just look at. Okay, just see here. This is the my computer. Again, I see. This is the my computer. Okay. I am going for net banking. What is the my first step? I just go to the any Chrome, Mozilla, any browser. First, my first step, I just click on the browser. Okay. You not click any other location. I want to open my internet banking. Definitely, I click on the web browser. You don't click on the MS Word. You don't click any music button. You don't click recycling. Where you click, you just click on web browser. Similarly, on your mobile, you just have one application. Okay. So just here type just this page, this web browser. This web browser is the application layer. The first is the web browser. Again, I one by one going web browser. Okay. After opening this page, what we go the next? Just here typing our net banking website address www.icicibank.com. Suppose karo, just like this page is open. It takes some time, but it open. Why take time? Now some question you can okay later. So this page why take time? Just again here come back. Yeah. In my computer, in the laptop, just here click web browser and just typing website and web page is open. Just go to the my computer, this server of the ICI bank and take a web page, front page and move down. It takes some time and open. So this web page is also one application. One is the web. Second application is the what I just explained. What is the meaning of the application? So web browser is one application. It may be Google Chrome. It may be Internet Explorer. It may be Mozilla. It may be Opera. Doesn't matter. But you want to open net banking, definitely open the web browser. Then another is typing the web company name like Facebook. You also type www.facebook.com. Gmail, www.gmail.com. So this is open web page. ये वेब ब्राउजर है and web page, and this page is just open from another server to your computer. So this two work is known as application. Meaning of the application: web browser is application, web page in application. Now what we go for the next? Again, I come back to bank side. By the next stage is that, yeah, just here this is publicly no problem. Okay. But I want to my net banking, just I click on the login button. And this again one page is open. So this page is also application, but this design a special types of presentation. So this page is known as presentation. Presentation is also part of application. But why no presentation? Because here username and password, each and every customer will be different. Okay, our username, just here typing my username. Okay, some password. Okay, here just typing and just click login button. So now the come back here. The second layer is the presentation layer, username and password. Who is and also Gmail, also Facebook, no problem. This layer is also available in the Gmail and Facebook. After the login, now what the next? After the login, page is open. This is presentation because this is my account, so my detail will be open. Your account, your detail will be open. Everything as per your customer will be present here. Okay, that are per your requirement. So same manner, if next, if too much take time, not do anything here. Either we go for your refresh button. Okay, so what happened? This will be service expire. This is expired. Session has expired. Now you tell me in the Facebook, in the Gmail, refresh your Gmail account expire, yes or no? Naina, tell me. Session layer is available in the net banking, but this layer is missing in
No, sir, it will not expire.
yes, not expire. This layer is missing in the Facebook and Gmail. So in the user, this three layer is known as user support layer. Again, I repeat, this three layer is known as user support layer. This is user support layer. Day by day, security feature implemented in this location. Addition of OTP, addition of the if wrong password enter, definitely blocking of your net banking 24 hours. So this additional feature is also adding in this application, this user support layer. So now again come here. Just yeah. In this case, first is go all application, presentation and session. Directly everything in the software base, or everything in the software base. And directly, because this is known as the user support layer, because user directly use of this application. Okay, now what the next is that my data transmission, just my data move out from the your computer NIC card. If you are Wi-Fi movement, now I just check movement Wi-Fi, next is Bluetooth, this is just movement your LAN cable. So this is the physical layer, layer number one. This is the physical layer, how to movement LAN card Wi-Fi. Okay, after that my data move from this location go to the switches. Switches the local level, a lot of computer devices connected switcher. This is the data link layer, layer number 2. And then after go to the router, this is the layer number 3. One router, another remote area, same return back and go to the switches and return back. So this three layer is transmission layer, physical, data and network. This is also known as the network support layer. Network support layer. User support layer, user directly by the handle. You open the web page, username, password, session, depending on the security feature. Network support layer, how to transmit from one location to another location. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LAN cable, these are the physical layer. And secondly, these are local manner we connected data link layer. And we go to the router. This is the layer number 3. One router, another router, whole world depending one router to another router. Now in the middle, this is a transport layer. What happened transporter? What the main work of the transport layer? Very simple manner. In this diagram, user done directly. Movement also you can realize. What the transport layer? Transport layer basically, I am sending email, I am sending wires, I am sending any data, any form. So another side, my computer, how to know what want user? How to know what want user? So this is decided by the transport layer. Transport layer just moving anything out from your computer, just he provided label, basically port number. This port number by default define each and every types of communication. For website 80, web browser 8080, FTP 21, for voice communication 2000, 746 for the video communication. So just another side, easy to understand what want user, and same otherwise in the world it is not possible. I'm sending PDF file. If not mention ki user sending PDF file, so definitely another side people not realize ki what types of sending by the user. And sometime some document attached in your email, it not open due to the not available of application port number in your computer. So these all 7 layer is now used for the communication in the today's scenario. Again, I repeat, this 7 layer, what the 7 layer? Physical data 3 link. This 3 layer is the help the communication path. Okay, help of the physical data. And if anybody asks to please the give example of the network layer, just router is a network layer. If the give the example of the data link, which give the physical layer example, Wi-Fi layer 1, this is the LAN cable. Okay, and same another side application presentation, this is the directly done by the user. And transport layer, this is a definitely between user and sender. So sender how to identify what sent by the user, via video, PDF file, Word file, it will be decided by the transport layer. Transport layer nothing, just give the port number already decided by the ISO. Okay. In the cyber security, every layer must be required security, physical layer security, data link security, network security, in the every layer. And Naina, are you engineering a student which stream? Electronics, either computer science, either IT?
Electronics, sir.
Electronics. So definitely software based portion is uh, develop and more comfortable CS student. Okay. And transmission, media communication from this location to this location movement, this is the comfortable you, because you are electronic student, you are comfortable for this. And transport layer, IT student. So network and cyber security related to each and every branch, but expert you as per your graduation in the electronic and communication, definitely you are aware and more comfortable in the this communication part. Computer science student, they will be comfortable user support. Okay, so are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So again, see you tomorrow. You have 2 time slot. So morning, you must be in sure which time you join daily. So I am free to this week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If 10:45,
Sir.
if any missing, so you in evening must be in daily must be
2 slots.
Yeah.
Today also 4:30, sir.
If you are able to join, to it is easy. I want to complete this week. Okay. Otherwise,
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
morning, no problem. If you are able, so you sending message at 2 p.m. I am available. So I am now. This is 30 minutes to not more time, so we can do it. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Again, see you.
Okay, sir.